So let's move down to here for definition list. For definition list, we need to add a tag for definition list DL. Inside DL, we have a pair of two items. One is definition term DT, which stands for some a content and some basic concerns like chocolate or cocoa, and uh, the other one pair we have a DD. This stands for definition, which I have a some uh, list here. Let me show you how it will look like if we paste it here and see what's the difference. You can see here is a chocolate, and chocolate have different types of definitions. So if you want to define your definition in more clear way, then you can write a definition tags here. So in same as we used a cocoa is a for cocoa definition you need to add a DD. So DT and DD is basically one pair which will be inside for one list item in definition list. So I'm going to save it, and now I'm going to refresh my browsers, and you can see here it will be look like a it will be look like this one a definition, and this one is a heading, and this one is a looks like a definition. This one is not actually similar to in unordered and ordered list, but the concept is same. uh, Besides this is will be used in pairs, and this will be a single list items.